In today's video, I'm going to teach you the right way to group tasks in ClickUp. Grouping makes large projects easier to scan, prioritize, and act on, and it takes just a minute to set up. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the space, folder, or list where your tasks live. Pick the project you want to work with. Next, switch to a view that supports grouping. List or board both work, and list is the most straightforward for this walkthrough. If you don't already have the view you need, create a new list view. Give it a clear name so your team recognizes it later, and click Create. Now look to the top right toolbar for the group control, usually sitting next to Sort and Filter. On smaller screens, it can be tucked away, so try hovering or expanding the window if you don't see it right away. Click Group and choose Status. Instantly, your tasks reorganize into neat sections like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. Each section has a small arrow so you can collapse or expand it to reduce visual clutter. The best part is that you can drag and drop tasks between these groups, and ClickUp updates the task's status behind the scenes automatically. If your workflow needs another stage, open the Status menu, add a new status, and save. To add a task directly into a group, use Add Task at the bottom of that section. The task will inherit the group's status, so you don't have to set it manually. Save when you're done. Next, try grouping by assignees. Open the Group menu again and choose Assignees to see work organized by team member. Drag a task into someone's group to reassign it, or open the task, click Assignees. Select the right person, and save. You can use the same approach with other options like priority, due date, tags, or custom fields. Pick what best reflects how your team plans and reports. While you're inside a task, it's a great time to tidy up details. If a task marks a key deliverable, change the task type to milestone and save so it stands out in timelines and reports. You can also switch a task between To Do, In Progress, and Complete from within the task itself, or by dragging it between grouped sections. Either method keeps your data perfectly in sync. If you ever want to go back to a simple list, open the Group menu and choose None to remove grouping. That's all there is to it. Fast to set up, flexible to use, and incredibly helpful for staying organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.